Hello everyone. As we step into the dawn of a new year, let's embark on a creative journey together by crafting a unique and personalized bookband from fabric scraps. First, let's print the pattern and choose fabric scraps. Here is what I chose for her clothes, hair, skin, pen, and pen top. The flat elastic band can be any color. However, a width of 1.5 centimeters or more would be preferable. Here comes the iron-on adhesive paper. The adhesive paper has two sides, one is non-stick, and the other has iron-on glue. It's important to know that different brands of adhesive paper can feel different. For example, Bondaweb and Heat and Bond Light might be a bit textured, like a flexible material, while others may feel like a plastic sheet. Double-check to ensure the non-stick paper side is facing up. We trace our Bondaweb template on the non-stick paper side. We cut it according to the chosen fabric. For skin parts, we don't need to separate the hands and face, they can be cut as one piece. Iron these Bondaweb tracings onto the reverse side of the fabrics you have chosen. Carefully cut the tracings out. Make sure you keep the tiny parts safe, the mischievous elf likes to steal them. Place a sheet of baking paper over the tracing template and secure it with adhesive tape. Peel off the backing paper from your applique pieces. In this order, adhere the applique pieces. Start with the clothes. followed by her face. Ensure that all the appliques adhere to the outline. Don't worry about overlaps, it's designed that way for a secure attachment. Then the hair. Hands. Pen, and pen top. Now you can peel it off as a whole piece. Now, let's cut out 2 tracing templates for her book and eyes position. Before we iron her onto the base felt, let's draw the book position according to the rectangle shape using a water-soluble pen. Now, iron her onto the felt. For the eye position piece, align it with the chin and mark the location of the eyes. Sorry, my drawing is not very clear in the video. Let's write the coming year on it. 2024. It's time to start our free motion embroidery with black thread. This is my real-time sewing. Now, it's the 6th time-lapse video. Cut off the excess thread. Trim the upper and lower parts of the felt, leaving a 3 mm margin for sewing. Mark the center of our applique piece as indicated by the tracing template. These are the points where we are going to assemble the elastic band. Change the thread to white. Place another piece of felt beneath our girl. Perform free motion embroidery around the outline. Make sure to insert the elastic band approximately 1.5 centimeters inside. Cut off the excess felt. Voila! Our book band is done. It indeed makes for a wonderful gift, especially for bookworms and students. Thank you for watching.